I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to know as a beginner for getting into affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
Weezy out
What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here, coming to you live from Miami, Florida. Second day of 10X Growth Con, one of the biggest entrepreneurship events in the country, or the world rather. Like 20 to 30,000 people here. But if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm a serial digital entrepreneur, and I create content to help people get to the next level in life. And today we're going to be covering some content about affiliate marketing. Let me go ahead and stretch this out a little bit. But for those of you who are trying to get results within your affiliate marketing business, or don't know what affiliate marketing is, these are some of the things that you're going to go ahead and need, right? Now, there's some misconceptions out there. First and foremost, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is literally the professional middleman. You're selling other people's products, and when you sell their products, right, you get paid a commission for any transaction that is made, right? So you don't have to deal with fulfillment, you don't have to own your own product, right? That's the beauty about it. Now, one of the first things that people do when it comes to affiliate marketing is they don't know what niches to get into to actually promote. So first, health, wealth, romance. Everything for the most part falls within the lines of those three. And those are the three big niches. Those are the three big niches that are going to go ahead and help you, or that have a plethora of offers that you're going to be able to promote, right? So, first and foremost, if you guys have been looking to get into affiliate marketing and you guys don't know where to start, first and foremost, pick one of those three niches. I personally like to pick a niche that I'm aligned with, that I'm passionate about, that I'm always talking about, I guess you could say. That's why I'm in the wealth niche, right? I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Now, you might love health and wellness, or you might like romance and helping people maybe spark that flame in their relationships. Whatever it is, figure out something that you're passionate about within those three niches. Next is, you're gonna need to find an offer. You're gonna need to find something to promote, right? And what I would recommend, right, if you're a brand new beginner and you want to leverage a platform, right, you need to find a platform that has a plethora of affiliate offers. And you can go to ClickBank. All ClickBank is basically, it connects vendors and affiliates. A vendor is somebody who actually supplies the product that you can sell. An affiliate is the person who actually promotes the product that the vendor creates, right? And the reason why I like ClickBank is because, unlike Amazon Associates, which is an affiliate marketing platform, they sell physical products, they kill your profit margins, right? You can't do paid ads for those. But with affiliate marketing with ClickBank, right, they have pretty high profit margins because you're leveraging digital products. So go to ClickBank, health, wealth, romance, pick a product. Now you're probably thinking, okay, what product should I promote? Guys, do your research, do your due diligence. I like to look at things that are, number one, ethical, right? Is it aligned with your brand? Is this something that you promote to your mother, to your brother, your sister? Is this something that you go ahead and sell to them, right? Do you believe in it? Number two is, look at reviews on this product. Is there good reviews? Are people saying that it actually works? Does it actually get people results? Number three, does it have good quality sales material? And the best way to see if it has good sales material is literally looking at the sales presentation. Does it persuade you? Does it make you feel like buying? Sometimes I look at weight loss products and I'm skinny as hell, as you can see, but I want to buy it, right? It's that good of a sales presentation, right? Next is, right, you need some sort of automation, some sales automation, right? And that's where the sales funnel comes in. So there's two routes you guys could go. There can be a pre-sale page, do your research, Google it, whatever that is, or a sales funnel to where you are actually leveraging capture pages to do follow-up, and that's what I do, list building, to where you're gonna be able to do impulse buying, right? If you wanna do impulse buying, you wanna do a pre-sale page, and then you're gonna get people to actually go from a social state, if they're on social media, and I'm gonna explain that in a second. So from a social state to a buying state, or you can build a relationship with list building. We'll cover both in a second. But Next, and I'm gonna actually backtrack a little bit, but next you're going to need to learn about paid traffic. Guys, the best and most paying skill set to learn is called media buying. Learning how to run paid ads. So the most important thing when it comes to learning how to be successful in affiliate marketing, and for those who have been doing affiliate marketing, you've been wondering why you haven't been succeeding or getting results, you need to learn how to run paid ads. If you do not know how to run paid ads, you cannot succeed. Or you can do content marketing, creating a YouTube channel or creating a blog, right? SEO marketing, to where you're creating content around that niche, but you need traffic. You need to learn how to get your products, your affiliate products, in front of your target audience, your niche audience, right? In front of the right people who actually want to buy what it is you're selling. And the best way to do that is finding people that your product solves their problem and figuring out how to find those people. One way that you can find them is either creating content around how-to videos that actually solves those problems. How to lose weight, and you pitch a weight loss product, or how to make money online and you sell a how to make money online product, right? That's content marketing. But if you want to scale fast, you need to learn paid traffic. An example, you can target people based off their demographic online who are interested in weight loss or who would be interested in making money online, right? Those are just examples. So you need to find out where these people are. It's like a pool. If you're gonna be fishing, you're gonna be casting, right? Are you gonna go ahead and cast your rod in a place where there's nobody biting? No. You're gonna find, okay, where are all the fishes biting? It's the same thing with marketing. You gotta cast your net. You gotta cast your ads in front of people who are actually gonna buy what it is you're selling, right? Next is you need to have the right bait, right? Just because they're hungry people, you need to put the right stuff in front of them, and that's where it comes to your offer, right? You need to figure out what the right offer is, and you need to put it in front of the right people. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna find a congruent offer, a congruent audience, and then we're the professional middleman, right? Now, two things you can do. Number one, if you have a pre-sale page, right, you can just run Facebook ads right to it. You can run YouTube ads right to it. And if you don't know what a pre-sale page is, just literally Google weight loss pre-sale page, or an advertorial. That's what it looks like. Me personally, I do something called list building, right? I build an email list. The way I do that is I give them my baits, which is called a lead magnet. It's a free thing. And when I give them that, in exchange for that, they give me an email, which allows me to literally, instead of just trying to impulse sell them, right? We live in a day and age where people buy stuff from people they know, like, and trust. So when you do email marketing, it allows you to literally start building a relationship with that person and then eventually recommend products that can actually help them over time. When you recommend those products, right, they buy, you get a commission. But with all that being said, you guys literally just have to find an offer within a niche that's gonna go ahead and help you guys earn commissions, and then you just need traffic, conversions, and follow-up. That's what it comes down to. Do research. If you guys are looking into affiliate marketing, guys, go all over my channel, right? There's so much content, but I just wanted to go ahead and cover the basics and the fundamentals of the people. And the reason why is because so many people have been asking me, what do you do, Eric? What do you do? Because I'm at 10X GrowthCon. There's tens of thousands of entrepreneurs here. What do you do? So I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and create a video, because a lot of people maybe not know the basics of affiliate marketing. They might want to get into it. Number two, if you guys want to know the number one recommendation when it comes to affiliate marketing, what the offer that I'm actually promoting to make over $10,000 per month, there will be a link down below, right? Some sort of call to action down below. Immediately down below, you'll be able to click it, take action on it, get results, and simple as that, right? So I'm gonna go into this conference. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to level up so that way I can continue to provide value to you guys. If you guys like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribers button, hit the notifications bell. As always, 10Xing all day, every day. Eric Ellis Jr. Check it out.